Welcome back to American Literature, paper 2. In the last class, we have discussed antebellum period, and today let us talk about postbellum period. Antebellum period and postbellum period. I already informed you that both the words are not separated, they go hand in hand. So coming to postbellum period, so here antebellum period we have already discussed, and now today we are going to discuss postbellum period. Let us go for the actual meaning or definition of postbellum period. So the postbellum period is nothing but post Civil War period. That means the period after the American Civil War is called postbellum period. We have already discussed what is antebellum period. Antebellum period is the pre-Civil War period, or the period before the American Civil War is treated as antebellum period, and the period after the American Civil War is treated as postbellum period. So South has differed from the Union government of America. North has joined with the Union government of America regarding the slavery. South wanted to save the slavery and North wanted to abolish the slavery. So that led to American Civil War. And after the American Civil War, Union has successfully abolished the slavery from America, and we can also take the name of Abraham Lincoln, who has led the America to abolish the slavery from the American government or American history. So that was the situation. Especially the reason for American Civil War. America has split into two, North and South. North wants to abolish the American slavery, and South want to save the slavery or continue the slavery. That led to the Civil War of America. So government has successfully conquered the South with its military force and abolished slavery, and there ends the Civil War. And later slaves and slave owners has become one in the postbellum period. There is no difference between slaves and slave owners, and there is no word called slavery, and there is no difference between blacks and whites, and there is no question of slave owners and slaves. There is no question of blacks and whites, and there is no question of slavery in the history of America during the times of postbellum period. So when we talk about postbellum period, we can also talk more about the slavery, especially the slavery during the antebellum period and the abolition of slavery during the postbellum period. So slaves have got right or rights, they got liberation, they got emancipation during the times of postbellum period. So that was a great success in the history of America or in the history of United States. So you can read more about the postbellum period, especially focusing on slavery in the American history. That's all. Thank you very much.